Imagine waking up every morning with a clear mind, boundless energy, and a head start on the world. What if I told you that a simple morning routine could completely transform your life? Welcome to the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, a game changer for productivity, success, and personal growth. In this audiobook summary, we'll break down the key lessons, reveal the power of waking up at 5 a.m., and teach you how to implement Sharma's method for success. Stick around till the end because I'll also share practical tips to make this routine work for you. Briefly introduce Robin Sharma and his credibility as a leadership expert. Chapter 1: The Power of the 5 a.m. Club. The book is structured as a story where a struggling entrepreneur and an artist meet a billionaire who teaches them the 5 a.m. club principles. Sharma believes that owning your morning elevates your life. Waking up at 5 a.m. gives you quietude, solitude, and uninterrupted focus, allowing for deep work. The concept of victory. Our 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. helps high achievers maximize their potential. Chapter 2: The 20-20-20 Formula. Your morning blueprint. Sharma's famous 20-20-20 formula breaks the first hour of the day into three equal parts. 1. Move 5 a.m., 5:20 a.m. Start your day with intense exercise, jumping jacks, running, or yoga benefits. Boosts dopamine, reduces stress, and sharpens focus. Reflect 5:20 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. Engage in meditation, journaling, or deep breathing to center yourself. Helps build gratitude and mental clarity. 3. Grow 5:40 a.m. to 6 a.m. Use this time for reading, learning, or skill building. Audiobooks, podcast, online courses. Sharma emphasizes, the more you learn, the more you earn. Chapter 3: The 4 Interior Empires. Success isn't just about wealth or discipline. Sharma introduces the 4 interior empires. 1. Mindset. Train your mind for positivity and success. 2. Heart set. Emotional well-being and gratitude. 3. Health set. Physical fitness and energy. 4. Soul set. Spiritual growth and purpose. A person who masters all 4 will experience holistic success. Chapter 4: The Habit Installation Protocol. Building habits takes 66 days, not just 21 days, as many believe. 3 phases of habit formation. 1. Destruction. Days 1 to 22. Hardest part. Brain resists change. Second. Installation. Days 23 to 44. The new habit starts taking shape. Third. Integration. Days 45 to 66. The habit becomes second nature. Chapter 5: The Twin Cycles of Elite Performance. Peak performers alternate between intense focus and deep recovery to avoid burnout. Work in 90-minute cycles followed by recovery. Incorporate tight bubble of total focus. Eliminate distractions while working. Chapter 6: The 5 a.m. Club Lifestyle. Practical implementation. Step 1. Start waking up 15 minutes earlier each day until you reach 5 a.m. Step 2. Use the 20-20-20 formula to structure your mornings. Step 3. Set up an evening wind-down routine. No screens, sleep early. Step 4. Track progress with a habit tracker or journal. Give real-life examples of successful people who wake up early. Oprah, Tim Cook, etc. The 5 a.m. Club isn't just about waking up early. It's about self-mastery, discipline, and becoming your best self. Own your morning, elevate your life. If you enjoyed this summary, hit like and subscribe for more book breakdowns. Comment below. Would you try the 5 a.m. routine? Why or why not?